I got ripping hot by the time I got done making this video. So I had to make a beginning because I didn't do it. So here's the beginning. Scrubbing with Grandpa, what's next? Check out the video. I decided it's time to knock this little pile of fan motors down because I got probably 30 or 40 of them that I can get in that bucket over there. I'll take these, set them aside, but before I put them in my bucket, I'm going to cut that little piece of wire off them. That's my project for today. I got a dead battery here. Yep. Anything that I come to, basically, I'm just going to start tearing apart today, guys. So stick around. You never know what I'm going to get into. All right, guys, so yeah, a few more of them. We'll probably call it a day. So let's get the rest of this shred thrown on the trailer and see what we have left. Last but not least, I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. It's been a good day. Started to get real hot out here. It was nice and cool earlier, but it started to get super hot. I'm gonna call it a day. Head on the inside. Maybe make this video so you can enjoy it tomorrow. At least I hope you enjoy it. I always have fun doing what I'm doing. It's always a blast. And I want to thank everybody that came to my giveaway. What is today? Monday? I had a doctor's appointment today, so Tuesday I'm mailing out your coins and stickers. Haven't done that yet, to 3 people. But everything else has been done. Guys, it's a blessing having you come to my channel and listen to me run my mouth. I love what I'm doing, and I'm doing what I love, and this is it. So if you love doing this, let's do it together. That's what I say. Till next time, what's next? What's next? What's next? Well, you never know. You better ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video so you don't miss it. We'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, and tomorrow's video is an update video. Update. It's going to be cool. Them little valves that come off air conditioners, just about every big air conditioner has them. Well, everyone does have them. They can be cleaned up easily, and I found that out by another YouTuber. So thank you. That's Right Recycling. That's Right Recycling. Check them out.